Today's Tech Tip is brought to you by Hot Shots Secret, powered by science.
Hey, today's tech tip is about transmission fluid breakdown and how it affects your shift quality. Now, if we look inside a transmission, we know we got a lot of moving parts and sliding parts. And the transmission fluid itself, it's got sort of three duties in there. Not only is it lubricating the parts, it's actually involved with shifting the gears, and it has to cool the transmission. So look inside typical engine oil or transmission oil. It's got base stock, like, baking a cake's got a lot of flour, but you got sugar, butter, and all kinds of other tasty ingredients. In this case, we've got viscosity improvers, we've got anti-wear, extreme pressure additives, lots of ingredients in there that are good on normal conditions, but after you've really hammered on a transmission, whether you're towing, whether it's city driving with a lot of stop and start, whether you're hauling trailers, it's gonna sort of break the oil down and vaporize some of it off, so it's gonna condense down. So the same volume here condenses down, it gets thicker, sludgier, it's hard to flow, hard to move, so it can't get to all the components as well, the seals to lubricate, and for cooling. It's gonna slow that whole process down. Well, in the meantime, a lot of these additives are gonna fall out of suspension, they're gonna attach to parts, that's gonna create kind of a varnish and sticking. Now, if we look at a valve body in a transmission, you got a lot of solenoids, a lot of spool valves, and they have to move back and forth, opening up all these different passages to allow your shifts. Well, think about getting any kind of varnish, debris buildup on any of these valves. They get sticky, they're not moving. So you're gonna find yourself with inconsistent or hard shifts, overheating, shudder, noise, and you're gonna end up with more wear, which is eventually gonna end up with expensive repairs. So how do we resolve that? Hot Shots Secret's Shift Restore. It's gonna go into your transmission fluid, it's gonna break down the deposits on here, clean this up real nice, so then your fluid's gonna be able to come back to its normal size shape with the deposits back into solution to carry on through the filter. You're gonna get back to better shifting, you're gonna reduce the wear, you're gonna be much happier overall, and you can use it as a fix for any particular issues you have now or as a preventative measure. So check out Hot Shots Secret Shift Restore. Make your transmission happy.